Nintia oba bia ma no eto kwadu no along the Kumasi stretch no say nyame for sama accident bi si a ye should any hospital bi ana say church company bi ada kwana no a ye betin de na call for first aid tie ba si ye si eno a eno say bibi si a nyame for sama ye betin de na ide akoko wo hwe ekum ho so a nadmo director omo de proposal bi abreye ye sikasem but ye be hwe ne ye be no I wasn't Miana Baba Korea, I see it me bunning in a near Sissy or some more Kaua, some more from Kokobepona, or must see the solar panel. Media, now me a marketing officer to be too quiet the whole Ghana, baby. I may go Sabaya accident behind your day. AC, and also so another, a bus school, some also school, some Osha Ajaya, or must see blog gonna be at the foundation level, or moon year, if I say here. Ebetime wie amomo okọ da ho a nana J school no park ne nchewa no omasi ana ma caste ye first no ye be say to aso se be ya JHS for betima kom bo JHS no omokọ no da ho hene hotel ho empese ebeba ne sa oba boso for RC ne okwa no wona omasi 4 unit classroom block bi ewo school na echi ho na mukonwu a enwura afu agi school ni nyina te na no na mekohwe te yese eno so mo no se be ya yebeti award na omotima dey aye eno no oba Kofiase Islamic primary basic. The late Oshama, he was the former MC from Kofiase. We see 8 unit classroom block bi me kwa me fi Kofiase na me say classroom kese e was until say my first day at school no ye ko sa won ye hu say school no e wo we see aboso wi akasa ye be plaza aye ho the so you better any complete under the legacy project. Under the legacy project, and so Kofiase SDJHS, nibi, almost said the lentil level, and so you better say you be complete. Under the legacy project, and so you better say Utu Asaka Primary School, Kofiase and Oma renovated 2019, and Oma Jai Atu Obepemone, and so you be complete Amomo. Oba Ahamadia Mampoha, Oma ye slab no, a form say. I think 12 unit classroom block and so yami adoma ye beye na ya cast na ya wi classroom block first one no ti e koso no so wachina bia no yami adona ho ne ba and so na yetimi awie yes awo another one so wo uko anti comfort to school Islamic school back e wo and also so omasi ema I think 2 classroom block bi wo a enye enkoye and so ye pese ye hwe na yami ado yitimi wie ene office no dey ama wo mo na oba timankwanta omu ni keji wo omu nyina no yakwakoye bridge kama wo free hiamanche na ya linkis address ring road etwa saa me phm timankwanta obetimi so afa timankwanta atima fo musa nti carrot fo no ne mo di dwa o hiamanche no mokọ mo bo djuma soronko a ye ba na se ya di and so ya fele so am say kasen nam so carrot fo no omutime koba ama omo ba ebeda yase nti and so yetima yesa omo bridge no amomo ti wo so pese be si kg 3 unit classroom kg ayi ema omo ewo ho ukọ sataso a adura road ba bia bridge no abuo no o so pese be si aye 3 unit classroom block ewo ho ye dey ema omo na omo ni ayi wo ho no omo so kọ aye school no ewo adidwan ti wo so ya pese ye behwe na yesibi so ewo ho no mo emomo again ye wo Mampo schools no ye obi Roman ha aye pese ye complete ama omo da ho maka da ho de ana maka boso for de ana yaka Ahmadiyya so ade no ana yaka ajede no so eno na mpempe ye de akọ budgeting aye pese ye ana communities ni bi so a ye betu ensuo ama wo mo ebi wo no ma wo mu ni nsuo ye ba betu 10 boreholes ebi ye mechanized one near aye polytank esi top no aye chiwe ba bia light su ni no ye be ye saa we no manual aye no na eno so omaye ti mpanifo these are the initiative ye di agu akwam na ye bompa so say mene immigration omo pani no pa ayonkofa sabe ono kwa woye me krom ni amekwa mene ne kakasa baako mekwa me friend na commander ni me friend na opeke me oje me faso the secretary eje me faso ti abon pa ye say omo bia kwanya no so for yankwala no so ye be fa bia officer say omo tete omo aye fe kamoso mo benya na mo ma no so de ebi etima wura ti mo bom pa ye so na mo de bi so de atama chi sabaya jumadia omampani dia shamensa no metima di ama eso aba emfaso ama ye nyina workers so wa madam ase so far so good me ba ye no na me assemblyman na nya assemblyman keke me assemblyman me ba na mani da form because at afi na ma free school mo for aba as SRC president ama free university aba ti bibia na me ye no the mani to from kama yet say na Mrs. say also no SRC vice president he say person obedi manamonti he say baby ameko be obedi machi enti sa ye fa ne kakra na ye ko enti mesre say amwa bia so amwa me ne mo ha no mo so mo de be ma me bia amama succeed no mo mo me na me an succeed enti Mr. Frimpong aseda bio ana me de ba mo semani monyam se say ya yakocha krura na hema no say ya ba be itinerary na yetimi Quran all the communities no also kwa church ahemfo no e bia community the day baako say masara yebetimi cha nipa be say community be say 3 or 4 na yakọ na ya itinerary no ni na asesa so yakọ na ayefefefe ti madam ose bebre safutu obi wo ho na samode betu mo ba sabe memro afutu so map no abi amom 24/7 ye nyina ya going to collaborate and work sabaya ye o mampani so juma de o de shamin sano so ebebanyam yamenhira mo nyina madam ase
ya san beto aso ewa ha ne a mepese meka pa na obi a o ha atibi ni se makora bia na minute me office no na ne sister penny edika akotro wase no enti ono eduru no so na aro bekwa akotro no na me se edna ya yiro ho pa o so offer all eyes are on me enti be perform surely she performed.
Wow.
Straight from St. Joseph Okolegon Okoye in the service airport sisi awo Accra and then I me person make actual say all eyes are on you. This time Ghanaians don't vote because of party but they vote for what they see. Mampomfon so yedi ehia ache o ya bre ache pa this I am can say nimpa say me can say MPP NDC no they want to see something so ko hima or they akoho esa and so ono so o bibi eka o kan nipa so ye de be efa enti media na mesewa ne say wo dini ene party ni dini senia ebekọ no ese say ni awaka ni nyina obo modena se obeye oya ye kire ni amayeni oye ni nipa ne pa enye okra na obeka ya na eta kan chairman o say aboasu site amete no ono no amekwan da ho enti ye yi bia ye senye aboasu a anka kwan ni site but aboasu na ye kwan afa ho nyina also be bia na ye wudini when I was a head teacher be bia me ko bia na me perform SDA edan na wo ho ni nyina me time ne ye NDC for ne basic primary school na wo and say maboa wo mo pa anti wo person ye bibi di sheme na me se me school ni me SDA ni so basic primary school ma ni etwa bregu so and on basic primary school we ya no mo transfer me kwa mine so kokwa man SDA so obehu dan esi ho no matter me koduru ha na almost papa we there o sit a dan na eno almost me ne adra for e collaborate here na adra be see satam na omo MC no parliamentarian no so NDC ni na ono so bi di nkonwa free Accra e de begum nti ye bibi ma yenhu na wo ampo wonyɛ campaign nipa bɛyɛ campaign di ama nea wɔde asi w'ani so sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ na yɛbɛbɔ mpaeɛ ama wo sɛ nyame bɛmo ahoɔden na watumi ayɛ na ɛduru hɔ a na afei obiara ka ne yɛnyɛ biribi deɛ nsa yɛ deɛ bɛyɛ akyerɛ sɛ ɔno no wayɛ wei ɔno no wayɛ wei as you do this no don't forget your grassroots.
That's it.
Don't forget the grassroots. Sɛ grassroots no nso ehia sɛ yɛde nipa ɛna ɛyɛ kuro yɛde nipa ɛna ɛkyekyere party nti woboa partyfoɔ no na woboa kuro no a you have no problem and your party will have no problem. Mampɔnfoɔ ɛbɛduru biribi no me de menim sɛ wobɛtumi achange Mampɔn history. I'm always praying sɛ wobɛchange Mampɔn history. Yeah, no, they are telling me sɛ nea wɔhunu no or you can change it. Nti mebɔ mpaeɛ ama yɛn nyinaa sɛ nea waka biara and excuse me to say mpanimfoɔ yi a wɔwɔ ha yi nso don't forget them. Ɛyɛ paa sɛ nnɛ wofrɛ wɔn wo ne wɔn biribiara wobɛyɛ biara you call them. Me head for about 35 years. Director bi ba ha ɔba kwaman na menni hɔ koraa obusa wei na my assistant di aba obusa wei na my assistant di aba ye call health meeting ye ba health meeting or say who is Mr. Frimpong? Me sorry I was say all your US go to him and take his advice. And when you go with them now take advice from them, know what they like and you do it, you have no problem. God bless you.